Hi guys, I have a branch in Pune for the last 5 years but never got a chance to come here. So this is Shaniwar Wada, the famous for Bajirao Mastani film if you remember. I'll show you the Mastani gate as well. So this was the residence of Bajirao Peshwa, which I assume is a prime minister of the Maratha Empire. So hi everyone. So I'll walk you through this place. So along with this, we'll talk about the top 10 colleges which are there in Pune. So I was making the list of Pune colleges. I trust me couldn't find top 10. I could find top 8 only. Yeah. So we'll talk about all these college while giving you the tour of this place. I am very focused or very interested in all the historical places. I do both the places. Like अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं शनिवार वाड़ा in the afternoon. शाम को आई एम गोइंग टू केपी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो या नीचे के कॉलेजेस इंदिरा, बालाजी, सेंगढ़, MIT, ये 4 कॉलेज है विच आर द लास्ट 4 कॉलेजेस ऑन माई लिस्ट. फाइन. If you asking me whether I recommend this college, no, I'm not going to recommend any of these colleges. But yeah, maximum people join these 4 colleges. ठीक, because हर कॉलेज का intake is very high. So they are the last of the top 10 in the colleges which I am not going to count. This is the most beautiful view I got from the. It was very hot today. Our Pune was very hot. So it's all ruined here. Everything is gone. There was a fire and everything got burned down. But we can still feel the grandness of this place. यार बीच में पूरा उनका fountains and everything. They're very well. Whatever is left, they're very well maintained. So this is the 8 to 4 का list. Simbi, all the other colleges, NIA, COEP. So all these colleges, NIBM, COEP, NIA and SIMBI, these 4 colleges can give you an average salary of 7, 8, 9 lakh. Yeah, so this is like bottom 4. यार ये मेरे को प्रॉब्लम लगा पुणे में, that Pune is a very famous place for undergrads. Like crowd from even Indore, Nasik, even up to Delhi, and from this side Nagpur, Aurangabad place they come to Pune for studies, undergrads. But unfortunately MBA के लिए top college नहीं है. Now this is the Darwaja, which is the haunted Darwaja. They still say that people have heard voices in the night at this place. Yeah, so this is the haunted Darwaja of this place. And otherwise we can see the ruins here, garden, beautiful garden which are maintained. I like the atmosphere. It was very hot, but I like the aura, I like the quietness, shanti of the place. Okay. Alright, move to the top 4 colleges. Pumba, SIIB, SMHRD and SIBM are the top 4 colleges. Pumba have an average package of 9 lakhs. SIB average around 12 lakhs. SMHRD 16 and SIBM Pune 20 lakh ka package. So if you're looking at Pune for MBA, these are the top 4 colleges you should be targeting. Fine, that's the Pune ka main problem. There are not many top colleges. For example, if you look at Delhi have got around 20-30 colleges which are not 20 but at least 15 colleges which are better than और एट पार विद दीज कॉलेजेस है. बट पुणे में ढंग के सिर्फ टॉप 4 ही कॉलेजेस हैं. बाकी भी अच्छे हैं बट एवरेज इज 7-8 lakhs. हेयर एवरेज इज अराउंड 12 lakh ऑफ इफ आई टेक एवरेज ऑफ ऑल द कॉलेजेस अराउंड 12 lakh. सो दिस इज वेरी इनोवेटिव वे आई ट्राई टू मेक द वीडियो वेन एवर आई विजिट दिस काइंड ऑफ प्लेस. या मेरे को 5 साल से जाने का था यहाँ पे. सो फाइनली वी आर एंड ऑफ अवर टूर. सो आई रियली लाइक कमिंग टू दिस प्लेस. And how you feel about this, please do tell me in the comments. If I missed any college, please let me know. So let's summarize. NIBM, COEP, NIA and SIMBI other campuses, SITM, SIUM, all the colleges, and top 4 colleges, SIBM, SMHRD, SIIB and Pumba. And we're launching a program in case you want to join for the online program or the classroom program. We'll be launching the classroom as well. You can just call us any of the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out. So this Monday we're launching our new batch for CAT and the CET exam. All the best.